What is going on, my homies? I hope it's not too close to my face, but I tell you, I'm a homie. Yo, so what we doing right now? We about to go swimming at the Watsons. The power is still out at Sebring, Florida, man. It's been like, how long has it been? Like 5 days, Kaseem? It's been like 5 days?
Since like Sunday.
Like since like Sunday, last Sunday?
Sunday night.
Yeah, Sunday night the power's been out and it's Friday. It's been 5 days. I'm telling you, it is insanely hot in the Institute. So we needed to get out and go do something. So we're gonna go swimming and chill at the Watsons. So we're just gonna record that and have a good time. It's not gonna be an amazing vlog, but me and Kaseem are gonna just chill. But my homie Zach over here, the driver, the backseat driver, my man right there, chilling over here. You know what I mean? Hopefully we get cooled down a little bit. It might just be us, but if it's us, it's a wrap. But if it's not, it's still a wrap. Catch you guys when we get there. All these people trying to get gas right here. Sorry, all these people, they all trying to get gas. It's crazy.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile. That look at the sound.
Shut up, cállate, respeta, porque tú no respetas, porque te digo que si tú no respetas te doy la gana.
Alright, I'm stuck. Okay, I need to grab my stuff. Hey. You made it alive.
Yeah, we're good.
We're not dead.
You're not dead?
No, we're not dead. He didn't kill us yet.
Oh, not yet. We all have AC.
I know. These bums have AC. We got a fan on right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Check out the pool, guys. You know what I mean? We chilling over here. Now look at that bum over there. See that bum over there? This is Hannah. Chilling over here. Kaseem being a weirdo. So usually in this area they would have a ping pong table set up right over here. Over here they would have these two games. I don't even know what it's called. It's a weird game. I don't know what it's called, man. So I can't help you with that. I don't know the name of the song or the game. Let me enter here. Oh, wrong way. Enter here. We got a nice, beautiful set of chairs. Pray. Oh, Lacey. You gotta pray. You know what I mean? There goes my man Zach. As we keep going, we got a few things here, a few things there. You know, trash can there. Kaseem, the dark skinned bum over there. Pool there. There you go. That's it. That's it for the tour.
Not trash. It was disappointing myself and the family.
Now I want you to picture me. I'm at a hotel rapping, crying on the floor of the bathroom, standing in the room, handshaking, playing. How could you leave us through the speakers of my iPhone? Kaseem's talking to a dog.
Gas there and we're trying to traffic 45 rejected. So you have to go county tour.
Oh, that's racist.
To get gas.
Come here, buddy. You see, you trust me, bum.
Has Alfredo sauce.
Oh
in
wait,
it.
it's not an autophone. There you go. Come here. Look at these humans. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, it's not focusing. Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Eating.
Eating what? What is that? Is that a vegetable?
Lots of vegetables on the plate.
Ew. Disgusting.
Wait, that's broccoli. Literally or figuratively?
Literally. I can stay here and say with confidence that right there is disgusting.
You cannot say that.
You need that. It's good for you.
You
What?
don't even eat it.
What? What'd you say to me?
You need to eat your vegetables, Kevin.
I eat my fruits. All I want.
Your foods.
I got see him about to go swimming. You know what's the funny thing? He can't swim. He can't swim. Pen and paper. I'm innovative. They've been afraid of me since I was a second grader. I'm the kid. My man's rapping by himself in the pool. Look. That's a deep side right there. I do. Am I repeating my actions? Look, how could you leave it was a mess?
That's what I can write that'll match that.
My biggest fear writing this record wasn't putting out trash, it was disappointing myself in the family.
I'm gonna take a picture. I'm on a hotel.
Nuts.
Right on the floor of the bathroom.
Go ahead. Zach, what you gonna do?
Oh my god. That hurt. Yeah. Alright, you bums.
Look, pull
I
up.
think
Hold
I
up there.
learned
Let's see it.
the officialness of trying to swim.
This is like, oh, he's learning how to swim. Kaseem can't swim. My man, finally after like 10 years is getting in the pool. When you getting in, bum?
Break and dive. Oh! That was great. That was the most graceful dive. I lost my hand. Did you catch that, bro?
Yeah. Go ahead, Kaseem. My man learning how to swim.
Like put your hands and feet like,
But yeah, I'll do like right here. I should probably
yeah, like have your leg, have your legs float up behind you.
Match made.
Kick your legs, your feet.
I'm just gonna big stroke.
Kaseem learning how to swim. Kaseem, go across,
I
bro.
feel like I'm about to like float
Try
away
it.
into
Go
the
this way.
deep.
Yo, you bum. Unless you walk on water.
Turn around. You trust me?
Explain
Hey, if this makes you feel better, I'll hold game over here.
Like have him just
If you're not going there, bro, I'm gonna hold
hold on his back, but just let him float there for a while.
Oh, look at that. There.
It's all in your head.
What am I supposed to do? Like move my arms?
Nope.
Nope,
Take a
lay back,
breath.
lean back, like you're
Try and stay straight. You're not going anywhere.
We're trying to help you.
Kaseem, stay still.
You try to.
Hey, just you struggling makes it worse.
Come in. Yo, Kaseem, you had it, dog. Why you not in the pool?
Because I don't want to be in the pool.
Oh, okay. That's a bad explanation.
Got it all.
You have to have 2 people get that. 2 people get one on each side. But you have to walk down the side of the pool.
My man meditating. I think he meditating. Man.
Relax.
My man. Wait. All right, excuse me. Go ahead, bro. My man's learning how to swim. Good. He's on autofocus.
Yeah, we just tore up some brownies. That was so good, right? Oh my gosh.
Can you swim now?
Huh?
Can you swim now?
I guess, sort of.
Underwater.
Kaseem's been learning how to swim lately.
Please don't bring down my issues unless you're gonna deal with your own. Please don't try to pretend like you're real. Yeah, it's funny that you got a lot of money, but that money doesn't buy you skills. Though.
All right, this bum's leaving. Bye, bum. Man, bye, bum.
Kevin,
What?
well, I'm going to be a 5% partner with the pineapple farm that Gabe
What happened?
Dying.
What happened?
Flying buckets from Gabe.
That bum right there. Threw a bucket at her. Joe, you got all this equipment.
I don't feel like I think this could be the end of the video because I recorded a lot.
No,
Yeah,
it's
huh?
not gonna be the end of
All right, let's not be the end of it. We about to go to
Because
dinner.
we about to go eat and then we're gonna go chill for a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna chill and
We're gonna
eat,
end
and
the
then
video, you dumb.
let's record the rest of the day. All right, we about to be out. Check out. We gonna see y'all later though, in like 5 seconds.
Look at this bum. Oh man, this looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. Hey man,
Where you been?
swimming, you know.
Pretty nice.
Yeah. Look at Lee. What's up, Lee? I'm telling you, totally blessed. Oh, blessed. I'm gonna give you a tour. You guys a tour of. What you looking at, bum? I mean, you're not a bum. He's the beautifulest guy that ever exists.
Beautifulest.
All right, what's popping with that?
Yo, this is lit. This is a bottle that opens like
What
this.
the heck? And you can close. Oh, wow, that's so cool. Is that better? That's better. Yo, this is my man's Lee. This is my new homie.
Put it right there.
Wait, I don't want you to look at this, see this card.
Alright. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking, what, my card's on top, right?
No.
My card's on top.
I wasn't thinking.
Your card's on the bottom, right? No, you're happy that your card is in the middle of the deck. Somewhere.
It's not in the middle of that.
4.
Okay, you're happy with that.
This is it
We're
then.
gonna take this prediction card right there.
Okay.
Now, what I want you to do is in a second here.
Alright, you
same
bums,
thing.
we're gonna end
What
this
we're gonna do
video.
is we're gonna go through these. And you have to tell me stop.
Stop.
Right there. You're happy.
We're gonna end this video.
I'll end it because you don't know how to end
Okay.
stuff.
Yes, we
Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Kevin, and we're gonna end this. Holy
This one right here, okay.
We're gonna end it, you bum.
We're gonna end this video. Make sure we're done. We're gonna take a nap, and this guy's gonna behave. All right?
Oh, we got a secret. Well, it wasn't a secret, but I don't know if I told you, but we're working on a project. That's why we haven't been uploading really.
Aggressive.
We've been working on a project, and it took like super long because somebody wanted to take extra long to work on a project. But this bum,
Kaseem, how many of those videos do you actually use?
Zero. He always messes every single one of them.
No, I only messed up the momentum one. That's the only one I messed up. But we're gonna end the video, and we'll see you next time.